Hello friends, a great welcome to my channel. In the previous video we did cover the play Tempest and the detailed summary. Today we are going to cover the important MCQs, and these MCQs are really going to help you out in your examination, be it any competitive exam. तो अब शुरू करते हैं MCQ, साथ साथ अपना स्कोर कार्ड रखिए, मुझे बताइए आपको कितने मार्क्स मिले टोटल क्वेश्चंस में से. What was the name of the good man who provided Prospero with books and other things that he needed to survive on the island? अभी अभी अगर आपने वीडियो कवर किया है तो बहुत इजीली आंसर कर पाएंगे. ऑप्शन डी Gonzalo is the right answer. Next question. Apart from Caliban, what is the name of Prospero's other servant on the island? Was it Claribel? Was it Juno? Was it Ariel? Or was it Dido? The correct answer is Ariel. Ariel का काफी important role है इस पूरे play में. All of you know, kind of a good spirit, an assistant for Prospero on this island. Next question. What was Prospero's title before his position was usurped and he was forced to flee Italy? The correct answer is option A, Duke of Milan. Prospero is the main character in the Tempest. He was the Duke of Milan earlier, who was overthrown by his brother Antonio 15 years before the start of the play, and he had to flee in a boat with his baby daughter Miranda. ये क्वेश्चन है प्ले के बिल्कुल बिगिनिंग इंसिडेंट्स में से. From which country is Alonso's ship returning when it is caught in the tempest? The correct answer is option C, Tunis. All the nobles are returning to Naples from Tunis, where Alonso's daughter का नाम भी आप लोग देख लीजिए. We did not do it during the play. Daughter का नाम था Claribel. तो अपनी daughter की wedding में से ये लोग वापस आ रहे थे. How long have Prospero and Miranda been on the island? The correct answer is option C, 12. 12 और 15 में students generally confuse हो जाते हैं. Actually 15 is the age of Miranda. Miranda was 3 और इस island पर होते हुए 12 years हो गए. इस island पर रहते हुए 12 years हो चुकी हैं. तो 3 plus 12 that is 15. Question 6. What was the name of Caliban's mother? The correct answer is option C, Sycorax. Sycorax is an unseen character in William Shakespeare's play The Tempest, जो कि 1610 और 11 में लिखा गया था. She is kind of a vicious and powerful witch. Witch बताया उन्हें शेक्सपियर ने. And the mother of Caliban, one of the few native inhabitants of the island on which Prospero, the hero of the play, is stranded. तो ऑलरेडी सिकोरेक्स और कैलिबन इस आइलैंड पर रह रहे थे जब प्रॉस्पेरो और उनकी डॉटर मिरांडा यहां पर पहुंचे. सिकोरेक्स द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 7. ओवर हाउ मेनी डेज डज द एक्शन ऑफ द टेम्पेस्ट टेक प्लेस? 2, 1, 3 और 4? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1. इस प्ले में सारी यूनिटीज फॉलो की गई हैं. यूनिटी ऑफ टाइम, प्लेस एंड एक्शन. The play, all the incidents of the play do occur only in a single day at a particular place with the unity of action too. Next question. Which mythical figures appear in the wedding masque Prospero stages for Miranda and Ferdinand? The correct answer is option C, Ceres, Iris and Juno. First, Iris enters and asks Ceres to appear at Juno's wish and to celebrate a contract of true love. This is what Shakespeare has actually written about the betrothal of Miranda and Ferdinand, a contract of true love. So all these three mythological figures do appear in this play to perform in a masque. What do we see Miranda and Ferdinand doing in the play's final scene? Playing cards, carrying woods, playing chess, playing tag. The correct answer is option C, playing chess. Near the end of the Tempest, Prospero discovers Ferdinand and Miranda playing chess in a moment that says much about their romantic partnership. It is a symbolism that they are so much associated and so much involved with each other. अब ये क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 जो कि आप सब मुझे बताएंगे कमेंट्स में। द टेम्पेस्ट इज अ प्ले बाय विलियम शेक्सपियर प्रोबेबली रिटन इन ईयर्स बताइए मुझे कमेंट्स में लिखकर, और साथ ही साथ अपना स्कोर भी बताइए, कितने आंसर्स आपके सही हुए, कितने गलत हुए। इस प्ले की प्रिपरेशन के लिए इसका डिटेल्ड समरी वीडियो जरूर देखिए, वहां पर आपको लगभग सभी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स मिल जाएंगे इस प्ले से रिलेटेड, इसके कैरेक्टर से रिलेटेड। I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel and provide your valuable feedback in the form of comments. A great good luck to all of you for any of the upcoming exam, be it academic, be it any exam that life gives to you. तो किसी भी तरीके का एग्जाम हो आपका, I always wish good luck to each and everyone who is watching.